Assalamualaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your science session of grade 2. Today we are going to start our final term or second term lesson water. Now all of you open page number 83, 84. This is lesson water. What you see in this picture? You see water, that children are playing in the water. So water is very important for us and it is not possible for us to live without water. Okay. Now page number 84. Why is water important to us? The question is why it is important for us. Water is very important to us. Plants and animals also need water to live. Rain is the earth's main source of water. Water is very important of us. Okay, every living thing needs water. Either it's a plant, either it's animals and human beings. We all need water. We cannot live or we cannot survive without water. Okay, so plants and also needs water to live. Okay, rain is the earth's main source of water. Rain is the how the earth gets water, or what's the main source of earth gets water? It's from rain. Every time it's rain, some water enters the soil and collected underground. Whenever we have rain, soil absorb or collect the water in it. Okay, our other sources of water includes rivers, streams, ponds, lakes, seas and ocean. And what are the other sources of water are rivers, streams, ponds, lakes, seas and ocean. See the pictures here: streams, rivers and lake. Okay, underground water can be reached by digging wells. We get when we dig wells or we dig land, we get water. Means we dig it a lot, so we get water. This water can be brought to the surface using pump. Okay, how we use that water? How we get that water? We get that water by using pumps. Okay, canals are dug from rivers to carry water from one place to another. Farmers need water to for their crops, to irrigate their crops. So they use canals. Okay, and canals carry the water from one place to another. We cannot drink rainwater directly. It is first collected and stored in dams. In Pakistan we have numbers of dams, for example Mangla Dam, Rawal Dam. So and in that dams we are going to collect all the rainwater. Okay, water is then supplied through pipes and we get water in our home when we open the tap. When we need water, we get water from that dams. Okay, that dams is the place where we reserve water. Okay, so when we need that water, they came to our homes through pipes. And how we get it at home? When we open the tap, we get that water. Okay, uses of water. We use water in different ways. Okay, life on earth is not possible without water. Okay, we cannot live or we cannot survive without water. Okay, we can drink water when we are thirsty, isn't it? Water is used to cook food. We use water for activities like washing clothes, cleaning our utensils and bathing. See, we use water in different ways now. In this picture you also see the people are use water for bathing, for washing clothes. Okay, for drinking as well. So we need water, or we use water for different ways, for different what you say, different different for different need. Either we have, if we feel thirsty we drink water. If we want to cook food, we need water. If we want to wash clothes, we need water. If we want to clean ourselves or washing utensils, we need water. For everything what we need water. Okay, animals drink water too. Animals also need water to drink. Plants also need water to grow and make their food. Obviously, animals, as humans need water, is important for them, same as it is water is important for animals and plants also. Farmers need water to irrigate their crops. As I told you before, that farmers need water to irrigate their crop. Water also can be used to produce electricity. We can produce electricity through water also. Okay, boats and ships are important modes of transport. Boats and ships, what they are important modes of transport because they move on or they float on water. They carry goods and people while sailing on water. Okay, they're sailing on the water, na? They move, they float, or they're sailing on water. So they also carry the goods and people, and it's also a important mode of transport. Okay, discover more. Using a stopwatch, record how long it takes for an ice cube to melt into water. Challenge your friend to see how who can melt an ice cube more quickly without heating it over on a flame. They give you a challenge that you have to take an ice cube and put it in a bowl or a plate, let and take a stopwatch. Just check how long it take to dissolve into or convert into or change into water, but you are not going to um, give heat it. Okay, it going to be melt by itself. Okay, clean water. The water supply to our home may not be always be clean and fit for drinking. The water that supply on the tap at our home is maybe is not clean or is not good for drinking. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to boil or filter the water. Okay, we are not going to drink it directly. We have to boil or filter that water before drinking. Okay, it's not pure and may contain germs and other harmful substances. You know that it's not pure, many germs and other harmful substances it carry, and it make, if we drink that water we get ill, or you may say we get sick. Drinking is you is drinking it is unsafe and can make us sick. Okay, you Mr. Jumbo said you should avoid drinking water directly from the tap. Boil or filter water before you drink it. Okay, forms of water. Water is found in three forms. Okay, water is three form, that is solid, liquid and gas. When cool gases steam become liquid water. Okay, you see the water is a form of a liquid. Okay, it's not has a specific shape. When we put in any container, any glass, they take that shape. Okay, when we freeze the water, okay, or when we freeze water in ice cubes, an ice tray, and we freeze it in the fridge, in the freezer. When we take out it has a specific shape ना, एक shape आ जाता है तो वो solid हो जाता, that is solid. Okay, ठीक है. And when we boil the water, the steam is coming out, that is water. Okay, or we put a glass on it. What will happen when it's cooled down? It becomes a water drops. Okay, or when we cook food or boil water, put if we put lid on it. Okay, when we pick the lid, you see the water drops on the on the lid, so they are called water vapors. Okay, when cool gases steam become liquid water. See, as I told you, then when the steam is cool, it's become water, become liquid water. Water heated steam, cool water. Okay, water heated in a kettle becomes steam that goes into the air. See, it goes through the air. When cooled on a cool surface, steam become water droplets. When it's become cool, what is become water droplets. Okay, now move on to page number 86. When cool liquid water becomes solid ice. When we cool liquid